Hello and welcome to another edition of the ICAGD News, as we bring you news of your community to the world. We thank you all for your positive feedback and comments received so far. Remember, you can communicate to us via Facebook or email at news.indiancommunity@gmail.com should you have any comments or news that you would like to share. Devotees of Southeast Melbourne conducted a Kids Sports Day on 24th of August 2013. This program coincided on the occasion of Vinayak Chaturthi, which was celebrated on 14th of September in a grand fashion. This is the 6th time such an event has been celebrated in the Southeast region. New South Wales Premier and Minister for Western Sydney Barry O'Farrell today announced NSW has secured Bollywood legend Shah Rukh Khan to visit Sydney in October as part of the 4th annual Paramasala Festival in Parramatta. Mr. O'Farrell said Shah Rukh Khan, known as SRK and dubbed the King of Bollywood, would headline a 2-hour Indian variety show of music, dance and comedy, Temptation Reloaded, as part of the festival. Paramasala is the key arts and cultural event on the NSW events calendar and brings some of the world's best artists to Western Sydney. Shah Rukh Khan has featured in 75 films and has more than 4 million Twitter followers and is one of the most popular and influential Bollywood actors. His show will attract an audience not only of Indian origin but will also appeal to his fans overseas, including Fiji, Singapore, Indonesia and Malaysia. In addition to international visitors, the show is expected to attract more than 5,000 people from interstate. The Ministry of Overseas Indian Affairs of the Government of India and the High Commission of India in Canberra will host the 2013 Regional Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention in Sydney on November 10th, 11th and 12th, 2013. The Pravasi Bharatiya Divas has been celebrated in India on January 9th each year since 2003 to mark the contributions of the overseas Indian community in the development of India. The objective is to reach out to those members of the community who have been unable to participate in the annual PBD in India and to provide a platform for the Indian community in Australia and the Pacific to contribute to the relationship between the countries of the region and India. Participation in the event is expected from all states and territories of Australia and from neighbouring countries including Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Manila, Hong Kong, Papua New Guinea, New Zealand, Fiji and other Pacific islands. Mrs. Supriya Singh's novel, The Girls Ate Last, will be launched on 2nd October 2013. This book tells the story of Inder Kaur, an Indian woman growing up in the early 20th century. Girls were expected to eat last after the men and boys and were often given only a few years of schooling. It is a story of women that is still repeated. With an Year 8 education, Inder Kaur, the author's mother, turned the partition of India into a personal victory. Having to seek employment in Delhi, she educated herself one step at a time as her marriage disintegrated to become the founding principal of 3 women's colleges. Supriya Singh is a professor at the Department of Sociology of Communications at RMIT University in Melbourne, Australia. She lives in her homes in Melbourne and Dharamshala, has 2 sons and 3 grandsons. Angasana Publications, Altham Bookshop and Marchand Restaurant invite you to join the celebrations at the launch of the book on October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, from 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. at Marchand Indian Restaurant, 953 Main Road, Altham. Bookings can be made on phone 94398700. Oreos and Rise and Shine Events presents a mega musical show of interstate song competition in Canberra. It is a musical talent hunt show with various artists from around the country expected to participate. The show will also feature a spectacular dance extravaganza from Bollywood Dimension Studio. The date is Sunday, 6th October from 5:30 p.m. The venue is at St. Edmund's College, 110 Canberra Avenue, Manuka in the ACT. For further details, visit www.shineandrise.com.au. The Melbourne chapter of the Vedanta Centre of Sydney will hold a series of talks on Swami Vivekanand. The venues are as follows: Monash University, Cofield Campus on Thursday 12th of September between 12:30 p.m. and 3 p.m. La Trobe University, Bandura Campus on Thursday 12th of September between 6 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. and at the Shiva Vishnu Temple, Carrum Downs on Saturday 14th of September between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Admission is free, and for further details and RSVP email vedanta.melbourne@gmail.com. Sankat Mochan Samiti is organizing a very exuberant Mata Ki Chonki, which will be charged with enthusiastic, spiritual and devotional participatory recitations of bhajans on Saturday 5th October 2013. The venue is the Glen Waverley Community Centre, 700 Waverley Road, Glen Waverley. The time is between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. On Saturday, 12th of October, a Garba and Dandiya dance program is also being organized at the Hindu Society of Victoria Cultural Centre. The address is 52 Boundary Road, Carrams Down, and the program will run from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. For further information, contact Dr. Sunila Srivastav on phone 0427 274 462 or via email on sankatmochansamiti@gmail.com. In a unique and groundbreaking project, a first for the Darebin Music Feast and Australia, Tihai 3 presents a Bollywood retrospective at the Darebin Music Feast 2013. Tihai 3 have teamed up with musicians from the Preston Symphony Orchestra to present a concert celebrating the 100th anniversary of Indian cinema with a showcase performance of music from 100 years of film. Tihai 3 will begin the evening with live accompaniment to surviving footage from the silent film Raja Harishchandra 1913 by the pioneer of Indian cinema, Phalke. Rising stars, brother and sister duo Sam and Keshav will capitate the audience with film songs from the 1950s to present to the accompaniment of a 20-piece ensemble. Bollywood and Beyond, Saturday 28 September from 8 p.m. at the Northcote Town Hall, 189 High Street, Northcote. For information, please contact therese@boite.com.au or phone 9417-3550 or mobile 0427-773-553. To kickstart the festival season 2013, Sangam gleefully invites you and your family members for the Dandiya and Bhangra night. Join them for an evening filled with fun and frolic. An exuberant evening with foot-tapping traditional beats, mellifluous music, scrumptious dinner, free Dandiya sticks and prizes galore to be won. A complete quality colonial experience not to be missed. The date is Saturday, 12th of October 2013 from 6 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. The venue, Karen Balak College, 85 Jamieson Way, Point Cook. For tickets and other details, contact Chirag on phone 0411 102 426. And that is all for this edition of Community News. Remember, if you have any news and views to share with our community, do not hesitate to communicate this to us via email news.indiancommunity@gmail.com. So until we see you all again next month, it's goodbye from all of us at ICAGD.